Times and mission. With the further revolution of Industry 4.0, manufacturing industry is facing a new tide of the times. From land to the sky, from the foodstuffs to pharmaceutical industry, plastic injection molding has become an inseparable part of human life. After 100 years development, injection molding has an important part of manufacturing industry. Nowadays is facing a profound transformation and upgrading. It's not only a challenge, but also a chance. Sino is keeping chasing the future of intelligent manufacturing, making the perfect combination of AI and equipment to accelerate the reform of the plastic injection molding industry to be intelligent manufacturing. Sino, make molding more valuable. From the establishment of Sino, based on technology's inheritance and accumulation, we have been innovating on intelligent injection molding and always take make molding more valuable as the mission, continuously leading Sino people to move forward. Inherit. After 20 years accumulation, Sino divisions are making great strides with precise strategy catch and efficient tactical execution, striving to achieve intelligent, efficient and stable management reform in the injection molding industry, and to create a legend of injection molding with users. In the field of injection mold, Sino Mold has more than 40,000 sets of various types of injection mold manufacturing experience. With more than 20 years of technical accumulation, combining advanced equipment and breakthroughs of sophisticated processing technology in the scientific selection and processing of steel materials, Sino Mold offers high-quality injection mold for global users. In the field of plastic injection molding machine, DKM constantly reduces energy consumption and improves injection precision to optimize its capacity and quality. Relying on experience and R&D achievement, and based on advanced intelligent manufacturing mentality, applying the IoT with intelligent detection system to control injection molding quality in the whole process. All of them enable users to achieve absolute competitiveness in their industry. Innovation. As one of the national technologically advanced enterprises, Sino undertakes 3 China National Torch Research Projects. And based on excellent technicians and rigorous R&D system, Sino has achieved many scientific achievements with high value. Sino has achieved the goal of empowering itself with science and technology innovation to ensure high-quality development. In 2021, Mr. Chu Jinping, the academician of the Chinese Academy of Engineering, was invited to be Sino's General Counsel for Machine and Mold Technology. In 2022, Dr. Louis Zhang was invited to be Sino's chief scientist and in charge of the intelligent upgrading of production line.
Integrate the hardware of injection molding machine, mold, robot, and assembly line with the software of automation control, intelligent scheduling, and artificial intelligence detection. Provide the overall solution of a digital intelligent factory and form the industry standard, and help our customers to create greater value.
Excellence. Sino is practicing Sino's culture as its responsibility and creating a world-class brand as its goal, making constant effort towards becoming the world leader in intelligent injection molding systems. Talent is the base of Sino. In this respect, Sino has established a distinctive business college, developed a series of training contents according to Sino's own requirements, and constructed a unique talent cultivation system Sino is committed to building an invincible team with same mission, values, and vision. Integrity and altruism. What Sino provides users with is not only a machine, a set of modes, or a production line, but also perfect service as well as an intelligent and systematic solution. Sino proposes the innovative service model of one-stop service and turnkey project and has successfully established service networks in more than 60 countries and regions. After years of hard efforts, Sino has built a complete, intensive, and efficient service system. Journey, DKM and Sino Mode are well-known brands in the world for the injection molding machines and mold. Sino is committed to make molding more valuable, aiming to be a professional solution provider of injection molding, focusing on the injection molding fields such as medical molding, foodstuffs and beverage packaging molding, smart warehousing and logistics equipment molding, etc. Optimizing key indexes on delivery time, molding cycle, manufacturing cost, and stability of these production lines. Sino is taking the attitude as the industry-leading company, condensing Sino spirit, developing intelligent manufacturing with scientific and technological innovation, empowering the injection molding industry with intelligent manufacturing. Sino goes with you shoulder by shoulder to step into the new racetrack of injection molding and compose a new brilliant future of manufacturing. Sino, make molding more valuable.